Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, we'll be looking at spikes trading strategy for boom and crash. That is how you can trade spikes successfully on boom and crash. Okay, I'm going to be highlighting some strategy, some steps to take in order to achieve these things you should look out for before you jump into the trade that will verify that things that will verify that there will soon be spikes any moment from now, and what you need to see before you go into the market, then how you will identify multiple spikes that will be happening within a period of time. Okay, so all these things are what we will be looking at in today's video. But before we go fully into this, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a channel which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. Okay, so feel free to browse through my channel. I've got lots and lots of training videos here that can get you started immediately. All you just need to do is just to watch them, watch till you understand everything I highlight in my video. Make sure you practice and perfect your skill on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. That is the best way you can understand everything I am explaining in this video. Okay, and if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question about my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. Okay, so if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, because that is the only way you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it and set the notification to all notifications. That way you will be notified each time I upload a training video like this. You're going to get message from YouTube that our Qora Digital Cash, there's the new training video on Qora Digital Cash, so that you can go there and watch it and put it into practice and make the market with it before it gets saturated. Okay, so let's go straight into the platform to check out what we have for today, which is spikes trading strategy for boom and crash. Okay, so many people have been asking me to do this again, to do a video on this again. I've done so many videos on spikes trading strategies, which you can actually get within the channel. If you browse through it very well, you will see so many spikes trading strategy, and I also did some on live trade so that you guys can see the way it works. Okay, but this time around I'm going to do it in a unique way, and I'm going to show you how to achieve this easily. Like I used to tell you, all these assets are trend trading assets. Okay, so once you know this, then there are things that you need to put in place in order to achieve this. The first thing is you need to know your trend. Okay, once you know your trend, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. Then the next thing is you need to know your support and resistance level. Once you know your support and resistance level, then you will know the right place to go into the market. Okay, and the right place to exit the market, depending on the trend you are trading on. Okay, and all this can easily be as in you can easily get hold of all these if you are very good with your technical analysis. But if you are not that good with your technical analysis, or probably you are good and you don't have the time, then you need to make use of some of these custom made indicators that will help you to achieve this easily. Okay, like I used to tell you, there is no custom made indicator that is 100% perfect. That is why they are meant to be they are meant to guide you into having a successful trading journey. Okay, they are meant to guide you into having a successful trading journey. Okay, so that is their main function. Okay, with the Okay, right now I will be using the QDC scraper indicator. I've done with other indicator in the past, but right now I'll be using the QDC scraper indicator because it seems most of the newbies, the new students, are achieving more results with this. It makes it very easy for them to analyze the market. I'm getting so many positive results with this indicator, so I'm really happy that so many of them have been able to withdraw from the trading platform ever since they started using this particular indicator. So quickly, I'm going to be brief with it, and I'm going to share with you how to use it in order to achieve this. Like I said, okay, the first thing you need to do to trade all these assets is to know the trend. There are three things telling us about the trend in this chart, okay, with this indicator. The first one is the 4MA candles, okay. It is telling us the trend. And the second one is this, that is the Damjan indicator, okay, also telling us the trend. But the funniest thing is the 4MA candles and the Damjan indicator are meant for short period, while the last one is the QDC trend indicator, trend scraper, okay. It is the while the third one is the QDC trend scraper indicator. This particular indicator helps us to know the trend of the market right from the beginning till the very end, okay, even on higher time frame, at a long run, okay. It helps us to determine the trend from the beginning, even before it starts, until it's going to end, okay. So that is why it is amazing. So the next thing for us to do is, with all these indicators, I can easily say when there is going to be a spike, or when there is when it is likely for us to experience spike, and when it is likely for us to experience the normal trend of the market, okay. So the next thing for us to do with our indicator setup on the chart already, okay, the next thing for us to do is to make sure the chart is on M5, okay. You can use any of the time frame actually, but I'm trying to make it a little bit more secured so that you guys will know how to go about it. So you can make use of M5, okay. So this is M5. I'll be using M5 in this video because I want to get the signals very quickly. I want to get more signals, and I also want to achieve more with this, okay. I want it to be more secured than having a fragile signal popping up when it is not secured, okay. So that is why we'll be using M5. So with M5 we'll be starting from here, okay. So the next thing we need to look out for is to know the trend, okay. The first thing that will show up whenever we are trying to determine the trend is these two arrows. The first one is here on the trend here, and the second one is here. The first one is facing up, the second one is facing down. Whenever it is facing up, it is telling you that you should be getting ready for an uptrend, okay. You should be getting ready for an uptrend. Whenever it is facing down, it is telling you that you should be getting ready for a downtrend. So that is the way it works, okay. And whenever you are trading spikes in boom, you should focus on the uptrend, okay. Whenever you are trading spikes in crash, you should focus on the downtrend, okay. I hope you guys are getting it. So right now we got our uptrend arrow popping out here, which means that we should be getting ready to trade spikes around here, okay. We can place our first order on it using the smallest lot size, and also increase the lot size as soon as we get an entry point arrow for a spike. We can use another lot size to place another order, because sometimes this will come out, the trend, you will get the signal for the trend first before the main signal on the main chart, okay. So that is what we are trying to take note of in order to achieve every opportunities that is attached to this, okay. So you can place your order on this, okay. Check it out. You place your order on this, most especially when you have it on a support level like this. You can see the green indicator here. It is a verified support level. So you can place your order on this, and we've already gotten our arrow there. Sometimes the main signal, the buy arrow, will not come out immediately, okay, but we've gotten it right from there. So you can place your order on this. So you can see that within the next 5 minutes we had our first spike, okay. But because it is the beginning of the trend, you can always leave your chart up, your order open, especially if you're having enough trading capital. You can leave it open till you get a sell signal, okay, till you get a sell signal. So we got our sell signal here, so which means you can close your order, and you close at that point and wait for another buy signal to come in again. That is the first way to go about it. The second way to go about it is getting your signal first on the trend. Then on the main chart, you get your buy signal for boom and sell for crash, okay. You come in and place your order, and since it is the beginning of the trend, okay, you allow some spikes to happen, okay. You allow some spikes to happen. You don't close your trade because you are using a right lot size, and it is going on already. And let's say it has gotten to this level, and you want to be sure if it will make some profit. It's going to spike more than that. Of course, you are still within the green region. Once you are still within the green region, you are safe, okay. So you can always as it is spiking up, you can always introduce your stop loss to somewhere here, okay. That will keep your profit from here to this level. Let me change this color to, I will only change this one. I don't need to change all, so I'm going to change this one to red. Okay, that is our stop loss. You will introduce your stop loss here. So as this, if this price action should come down, let's say it comes down to this red, and probably coming down below the red. Once it gets to the red, it's going to take you out of the market, and you will keep the profit from the red section to the entry point, okay. So that is how good it is. But check it out, it keeps on spiking. You can always adjust your stop loss to somewhere here, and it came down a bit but didn't get to the red, went up again to this level. So you can always adjust your stop loss. So far this is still green, you are good to go. And once it gets to this level, okay, where you have your drop down arrow showing up, then you can exit the market around there, okay. That is if the price action didn't get to your stop loss. If it gets to your stop loss, you keep the profits, and if it didn't get to your stop loss, then you exit the market here where we have the drop down arrow showing up. So that means you have your full profit in your wallet at that particular time. You will be having your full profit in your balance at that particular time. So you close your trade having a full having the complete opportunity to trade the spikes right from the beginning of the trend to the very end of the trend. So that is how amazing this is, okay. Like I said, the indicator I use is called the QDC Scraper indicator. If you are having it, very good. All I just want you to do is to have this set up on your chart. Try it on your demo account first. Don't worry, for those that have been getting it, you can use it for demo and real accounts, okay. It is programmed that way. So try it on your demo account first. Once you use it on your demo account, and you are able to perfect your skill on your demo account, then you can now move on to your real account in order to trade with it. That way you will milk the market successfully with this. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.